Hi everyone, let's talk about Mason Materials. It's a smart materials and photonics company that invents, designs, develops, manufactures various functional materials and nanocomposites, financial health, five other six. This is also as known as Reddit hype stock, market cap 1.5 billion. Earnings have declined by 71% per year over the past 5 years. Very highly volatile share price. So we saw back in middle of June when they accelerate the stock to pretty enormous sums. So highest point $21. So I guess there's few thousand% were loaded since if we take November last year over 3,000, and if we take, for example, this year combined, April, for example, 608%. That is pretty huge. Significant insider selling over the past 3 months and does not have meaningful revenue, which is 2 million. Let's take a look at the shareholder returns. Unfortunately, here is no anything past year. 715% outbeats the semiconductor industry that they're working in, and also the US market price volatility considered as lowest. About the company's fundamentals, revenue not so big, 1.79 billion, earnings 62 million, revenue 1.79 million, market cap 1.48 billion. So this is actually very highly overvaluated based on the fundamentals. PS 870, that's pretty huge. Valuation side, unfortunately we don't have any price targets. I guess MarketWatch has the 4.57, which is less than current valuation. Future growth for the semiconductor industry is forecasted over 14%. Past performance from the December 2017, 6 million till now. Last earning report shows minus 62 million, so minus 71% drop. The company is unprofitable. That's why many of the institutions are shorting this stock. Also, they have a high level of cash, high level of equity. I guess they pumped a lot of shares out. Yeah, shares outstanding keep just significantly increasing. Based within 2 years, they made 10x on the shares outstanding. Total sales are volatile, but they are once again raising compared to previous year. Last 12 months, 50%. The cash level is covering the debt, and the debt to equity ratio is 22%. Balance sheet looks mostly green. Then up in dividends, insider transactions. Who is selling? There's individual 1.5 million sold, max price 524 July. 9th of July. So let's take a look of the 9th of July. It's actually here, 9th of July. Why he sold, not even waiting, 5.64 highest point. Anyway, ownership breakdown, mostly this is holding by general public, 76%, private companies 8%, VCP from 6, institutions same, insiders 2.5, top shareholders no change at all. I guess there's some kind of old information here, but anyway, shares outstanding, as I said, increasing, total sales volatile. Compared to previous 2 years, it's increasing. And this is, by the way, all time 4,700%. So that's pretty huge. And investing.com summarized this stock for long-term investors as a strong buy. But believe me or not, this is the price. Could go even lower, could go even to 0.50, I guess. So if the company's fundamentals would not arrive a good phase. But anyway, nowadays they have cash, so it's pretty nice thing, and the cash level is covering the debt, so they're not going to bankrupt any soon. But this is unfortunate that they have a lot of negative earnings, so that is pretty not good. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.